is some kind of damping is going on. Irrespective of damping, I need some kind of phenomena, or I need some kind of help from the outside. That's why the oscillation will continue, whether the damping is present or not. I don't care. The oscillation should continue for maybe for 2 hours, maybe for 3 hours, or maybe for entire experimental unit from 24 hours. This is the process. Okay, so basically I want to say in that way also that we know simple harmonic motion is nothing but whatever we read in the first chapter is an ideal condition. Then we have introduced the resistive force, that is the Coulombic force, viscosity, and the structural damping. For that, damping is happening. Now, if we want that, I know there is damping, but we have to, by some who can prove, we have to continue the motion of the body. So for that, obviously, if the energy is decaying down, that means I have to supply something from the outside which can overcome this loss. Okay, yes or no? Got my point? So there is damping is on, but I want that whatever the energy is losses, the decay in amplitude is happening due to damping, we want to overcome that so that the body can oscillate for maybe for 2 hours, maybe for 3 hours, maybe for a certain span of time. Okay, so to overcome the damping, I have to apply, or we have to apply something from the outside, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but some kind of external, that is forceful one. Okay, that is nothing but I have to apply, otherwise the motion will not survive. Okay, that is nothing but for that we will apply some external force from the outside. Okay, now can you tell me what kind of force or what type of force we should apply so that the vibration will continue for lifelong, or vibration should continue for a certain span of time? Anyone?
Restoring force.
So if you are saying that restoring force is already present in acid. Okay,
Periodic force.
External periodic force.
Periodic force, maybe.
thank you. External periodic force. Okay, now my point is that why external periodic force? I'll give a simple example. It's right, how many days? Maybe for 2-3 months ago, 4 months ago, most of you have known that Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal in Tokyo Olympics. So in Tokyo, in every Olympic, the most important event is nothing but the most old event is nothing but called marathon. Okay, so if you watch any kind of marathon run, you will notice that is the marathon runner is taking some refreshment or some water, maybe some banana or any other kind of refreshment from outside. And if you watch very closely, you will understand that after every certain interval of time, maybe for 10 minutes, maybe for 15 minutes, he or she used to take the refreshment from outside. So what does it mean? So basically it means whenever she feels that I don't have the much energy to run further, then he or she took the refreshment to energize his body. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but, can we say that every certain interval of time when he or she feels that I don't have much energy left in my body, then he's used to take the refreshment from the outside. So it's nothing but a periodic fashion, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here the same thing happens in the forced oscillator. So as the damping force is on for the damping force is on, and the decay in amplitude is a constant process. To overcome that, I have to apply the periodic force from the outside so that the body will continue its motion for a span of time, maybe for 2 hours, maybe for if your experimental time is 24 hours, for 24 hours, for 30, maybe it's long. Okay, but my point is that we have to apply the external force, which has to be periodic. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
We need the
Yes,
periodic
sir.
force for the
Yes, sir.
vibration. Is it clear or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen?
Yes, sir.
Now what will happen? If the system is right now is acted upon by a periodic force of constant amplitude, whatever we have observed the state of the system in damped case, it will differ. Initially, the system will try to vibrate the frequency which is nothing but the damped frequency. After some time, what will happen at steady state, the body will oscillate with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. Yes or no? That means
Yes, sir.
initially the body was oscillating with the damped frequency, and after some time at steady state, the body will oscillate with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. Yes or no? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Resonance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, resonance is a slightly different thing. I will complete it later. Okay. So we can also say that due to the action of the resistive force, the vibrational frequency, the vibrational omega prime dies out, and ultimately at steady state, the body oscillate with the frequency of the applied periodic force of constant amplitude. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can also write it down. So nothing but whatever we have discussed, it's simple. You can write it down. If an external periodic force is applied to the system, if an external periodic force is applied to the system to make up its losses, if an external periodic force is applied to the system to make up its losses, the amplitude of the vibrating body doesn't decay with time. The amplitude of the vibrating body doesn't decay with time, and the body oscillate with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. The body will oscillate with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. Yes or no? This phenomena is nothing but called the forced vibration. So you can write in your own language, that is, if we apply some external periodic force from the outside on the body, then the motion of the body, the amplitude, whatever is losses due to the damping force, it will not decay. It will decay, but it will not stop due to the presence of the external force. Okay, or I can say, is it okay for everyone? Whatever we said, that if an external periodic force is applied on the system to overcome the losses, then the body motion of the vibrational amplitude will not decay with time, and the body will oscillate with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. This is known as the forced vibration. This phenomena is known as the forced vibration. Yes or no? Anyone? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, chalo. So we have already defined that the force should be a periodic one. So force should be a periodic one and constant amplitude. The force, if we write any force, that is the constant amplitude, but it has to be applied periodic. So how to express a periodic force?
Sine व cos.
Thank you so much. That it's the very simple term which we can imagine, that it is called the sine term or cos term. That is nothing but a periodic function. If a force is associated with the sine term and cos term, then we can say that force is a periodic force. Okay, got my point? So we can write it down also. That is F naught. Say F naught is the amplitude and sine pt. This is a periodic force, and P is the nothing but what is P? What is P then? What is P?
Frequency.
Frequency.
P is nothing but the cyclic frequency of the periodic flow. This is nothing but the cyclic frequency of the periodic flow. Yes or no? This is nothing but cyclic frequency
Yes,
of the periodic flow. Okay. We can also consider this one F naught cos P. Okay, that is also P is nothing but the cyclic frequency of the periodic flow. Okay. Is there any other? F0 sin pt, F0 cos pt. Is there any other kind of way to express the periodic motion, that the periodic force? Obviously.
In the term of E, sir.
Exactly. Thank you so much. It's nothing but if we add one periodic with another periodic, it will obviously another periodic. So generally, if we go for this combination of these two, can I write this one? This is nothing but this combination with e to the power I3.
Yes, sir.
Cos
sir.
sin theta.
Yes, sir.
So this combination is also nothing but a periodic force. Yes or no?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? That is Euler identity. Cos pt plus I sin pt. This is our. So for the initial derivation, we will take this one, but for next derivation onwards, we will go for maybe we can go for the simpler one. So if we prove for this, it will be easily proved for this one, this. So we'll go for this one, then I will go for the simpler one. Okay, chalo. Let's go. So what is our goal first? So like the previous classes, here we have to also find out the differential equation and the solution of the differential, then we can proceed. Now, if the force vibration is going on, can you tell me how many type of forces are acting in the system? How many forces acting in the system? Number one, number two, number three.
Restoring
Restoring
force,
force.
Three, sir.
Inertia.
Damping and
damping force,
damping force or periodic force.
Then,
Damping
damping
force.
force,
yeah, damping force,
Damping force.
damping
minus
force
VV,
Periodic force.
minus
VV,
and the third one,
External periodic force.
periodic,
external, that is external periodic force. This is equal to one, this is equal to one.
F naught e to the power IPT.
That's not equal to I. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes,
थोड़ा गलत है. Restoring force negative 2, that is in negative direction, you know. Damping force is a negative quantity. You
Sir,
know.
external টা positive হবে.
Should be positive. Yes, sir. External we are
Yes, sir.
from outside.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
It has to be positive.
Yes, sir.
So if the mass of the body is m, so what will be the equation of motion? Obviously, we'll write this one as simple as that. If the displacement as
MdA by dt,
dt2 is equal to minus kx
X minus BX by dt.
plus f naught to the power ip. F naught is the amplitude, that is the constant amplitude of the periodic force. Okay, as simple as that. Okay. Then what will be the name? So can we write this one? d2x by dt2 is equal to minus k by m into x minus b by m into dx dt is plus f naught by m to the power ip. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is very simple. This is very simple. If you go for the simpler step, that is, can I write this down? This one, d2x by dt square plus omega square
B by M টা তো 2k হয়ে যাবে.
2k dx dt is equal to f naught.
F e to the power IPT.
Where f naught is another constant. That is the amplitude by power unit mass. Okay, and you know the meaning of this one, you know the meaning of this one, so I am not going into the detail. And this is nothing but the differential equation of the system. Okay, don't consider this as square. Some of you have the problem that whatever reason this is not a square. You know the value, what is omega, you know this is the value of, you know the k is nothing but damping constant, this is the angular frequency, and this one the f naught is nothing but, as we have divided all side by m, this is another constant f naught and it is our IPT. Yes or no? What my point?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if this is nothing but this differential equation of the damped oscillator, force oscillator. This is, write it down. This is nothing but the differential equation of the damped oscillation. This is nothing but the differential equation of the damped oscillator. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Differential equation for forced vibration.
Oh, yes. We are dealing with the force, no? If this is the differential equation, second order differential equation, there should be some solution. Then what is the goal of next goal? Next goal is what is x? Okay. But
Sir,
Manu,
sir, if they ask in the term of sine or cos in the place of integral, then how we will solve?
No, I'll come on. Just give me 1 minute so that we can go for everything. So don't. We are not in a hurry. We will complete everything. Don't be in a hurry. I will come one by one. Okay. My point is that I will finish for IPT. Then I will go for sin PT and cos PT. Then we will easily found that it will take only just 1 minute to solve it. Okay. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
we are going for complex one. Then we'll go for the simpler one. Okay. So this is the differential equation, okay, and this is the differential equation of the forced oscillation. I need the value of x, okay. So how to define the value of x? Remember, initially if this side is 0, that is nothing but the called differential equation of the damped oscillator. If this side is 0, remember this is same equation, and if this side is 0, then it is a damped equation. But right now here is some value. There in RHS there is some value. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1. Okay. So my point is that d2x dt2 plus omega square x equal to if not it over IPT. Now what is the value of x? Okay.
স্যার আগে তো একটা বাউন্ডারি দেবো, বাউন্ডারি ভ্যালু।
I don't need boundary right now. I will go for 1 by 1. Okay. So the process is like that. I don't know. Maybe in the previous year the syllabus was slightly different. For that, some of you have in the math syllabus there is differential equation. For this kind of differential equation, you have to go for a different approach. What is that? That this kind of differential equation, second order differential, which have some values, particular values at this right hand side, then the differential equation solution, then this for this solution, maybe you will learn this in after few days or maybe in the next semester. There is solution of this kind of equation, solution of this type of equation, solution of this equation is nothing but combination of two terms. One is called particular integral. That is Ci, and another is called the particular integral, and another one is called the complementary function. Complementary function. That is Ca. What does it mean? That we have to go for two different solutions. Then we have to add this one so that we will get the entire solution. Okay. Now, what does it mean by particular integral? Look at this. This is nothing but the particular value. Okay. So this is nothing but we will go for the solution of this one for particular integral, and this is a complementary function. अब तुम लोग जब फुचका और गोलगप्पे कुछ भी मतलब जो बोलते हैं, बहुत सारा नाम है जो खाते हैं, उसको बात बोलते हो ना, तो जो दुकानदार है उसको एक फाव दे देना, मतलब 4 के बाद एक 5 फाव, मतलब ये 6 के बाद।
यस सर।
सूखी पापड़ी।
It's nothing but the complementary. Okay, मतलब तुमने 5 खाया इसलिए 1 दे रहा हूँ, मतलब complementary बोलते हैं उसको. So that means this is a particular value, and this complementary means that the right hand side should be a 0. So we have to go for the solution. One at this equation and one at the same equation at the right hand side is 0. So this is nothing but the particular integral, and this is nothing but the complementary function. Okay, so I have to go for the solution. So for first solution, particular integral, this system will that is, and the complementary function I have to go for the right hand side as 0. Okay, so I'll go for the particular integral, or I'll go for the complementary function. I'll go for the complementary function. What is the value? If I ask you that the complementary function, if complementary, what does it mean? For complementary function, to solve this complementary function, this equation should be. So I'm doing only the CA.
Damping equation.
Yeah, thank you, Srita. Thank you so much. You have already understood. This is nothing but the solution of the damped oscillator. No, this is nothing but the equation of the damping.
Yes.
Sir. So this is the
Yes, sir.
So as per your standard, you don't have to go for the general solution. As per your standard, what is the solution for low damping? We have already understood x equal to. For low damping, something is nothing but what constant we have taken?
तो e to the power minus kt p sin
Sin omega dash p plus phi.
Sin omega prime p plus phi. Okay, now what kind of I forgot the
P.
concept, P or something.
P.
P.
So for complementary function, for complementary to formula, so complementary is nothing but solution is x e to the power pt minus kt, which is nothing but the solution of the differential equation for low damping. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One part is already done. Aditya has to choose Kano. So next one. So we have to go for this one equation. So how to go for this one? Same approach. I have to go for a trial solution, that is right now our goal is particular integral, that is PR, particular integral, that the same equation will remain, that is the particular integral. Write it down in this way, particular integral. Okay, PI, though I have written PI, you can write PI or you can remember always PI is nothing but. So I have to go for trial solution. What do you mean by trial solution? Trial solution means I have to go for a solution. If we put the solution, solution, that is the value of x here, then this equation will be satisfied. So initially we will consider x equal to for a to the power alpha t. But here we will consider the same thing, x equal to a, we can go for a to the power instead of alpha t, as there is ipt, so we will go for ipt. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
স্যার উপরে আইপিডি লিখলেন
Sorry. Better write it down, otherwise we will forget. Let's
Sir, A is some constant.
the trial solution. Let the trial solution of this equation is x equal to a to the power ipt. Yes or no? Where a is a constant term, p is the applied periodic frequency, p is the cyclic frequency of the applied periodic force. Okay, got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Then can you tell me if this is my equation, if this is my, maybe I will go for this one, then x equal to this part is here. X equal to a to the power I dt. Then what is dx by dt? I need to put the value of dx by dt. I need to put the value of dx by dt. So I use my dx by dt anyone? dx by dt.
পিটা নিচে চলে আসবে
কত?
I
P E
power I
per IPT
IPT, yes or no? What my point?
Yes,
So,
sir. Sir, I will also come.
huh?
I will also come now.
Yeah,
I will also come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
I will be also there. Thank you so much. So don't consider this as, don't write it down IP into A, IP to A. Don't put it like the what I say, like the M. Why you are not writing? I will come back to this.
তাহলে তো dx dt চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে
No, it will not change. Then I will come back. So if it is d2x dt2, if it is d2x dt2, then what will be the value? Then
I
a
square.
I square p square to the power ipt.
I square will be minus, then minus p squared a e to the power ipt.
okay. Now put the value here. Now put the two values here. Now if you put the value, can we write this one? That is minus p square a to the power ipt plus, यहाँ पर 2k को ले लो पहले, 2k a to the power ipt plus omega square a to the power ipt is equal to f naught to the power ipt. समझ में? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब मैंने क्यों बोला तुमको ऐसे नहीं लिखने के, क्योंकि e to the power ipt के चारों तरफ से काटना, समझ आए?
Oh, yes, sir.
yes sir
सर 2k into p হবে তো
2k
2k into p
p হবে
2k into p 2k ip 2k
হ্যাঁ
into
ip
this is p square 2k dx dt is nothing but ip. Yes or no? This will be 2k ip. So can we write it down? If we cancel out this one, minus p square a plus 2k ip a plus omega square a equal to f naught. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A we will take common.
Yeah. Look at this. As Prince has already mentioned, x equal to a to the power ipt. What is a? A is nothing but the amplitude. So
Yes.
if you take the amplitude from the outside, then it will be easier. So we'll go for
হ্যাঁ
that one. So it is simple. That is that if I take the common A is nothing but A. If I take it for common, I will not go for like that. That is omega square minus P square plus 2k IT is equal to F naught. Okay. Omega square, यहाँ पर omega square minus P square plus 2k IP. Is it clear to you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I write that down as the amplitude is nothing but F naught. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके चलो अब देखो मेरे को क्या चाहिए आई नीड द वैल्यू x इक्वल टू a टू द पावर I pt ठीक है up to this point if you write x put the value a this is okay but my point is that look at this ib can be modified and this expression can be solved more general form so I'll go to further step but if you want you can stay here but that is not recommended as we can go for some kind of modification. What kind of modification?
কোয়াড্রেটিক বলছেন
Not quadratic equation.
ওমেগাতে চেঞ্জ করতে বলছি
So my point is that I want to get rid of I from this equation so that it will be converted. And I want to get rid of this I from the bottom of the denominator. Okay, so that's why. Can I write it down if I consider this way also?
হ্যাঁ ওটার সাথে ওমেগা স্কয়ার মাইনাস পি স্কয়ার মাইনাস ওটা করে দিন
In the
উপরে
form
আর
of
নিচে
sin cos,
Yeah, in the form of sin cos. Thank you so much. Say this is my b cos phi. And this one, that is 2k p, this one is b sin phi. Both are same. Same means that is we are assuming. I am writing this one b cos phi equal to omega square minus p square and b sin phi equal to 2k p. Then what will be the equation then? Then what will be, just give me 1 second. So my point is that can I write it down this equation as a, so if I write it,
square and add
f naught b common
plus I sin.
cos phi plus I sin phi. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes
Yes, sir.
yes sir
तो क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? Can we write this one? A is equal to f naught
If not by E, हाँ,
e to the power minus 5
I theta,
I5
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
B का वैल्यू क्या है? अभी यहाँ से बोलो. तो B का वैल्यू क्या है? A equal to
square and add
omega square minus p square whole square. Yes or no?
yes
So this is the most general form by which you can write it down. That is nothing but we call this x equal to f naught e to the power I pt minus phi by omega square minus p square whole square plus 2k square p square. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So by this way, we can get rid of this one. This equation is very, very simple. This equation is very, very simple, and you can go for lots of calculation from this. Okay. So my point is that, so what is the total solution then? If this is my x, this is my
স্যার
x.
বলছি যদি ওটা আগে রেশনালাইজ করতাম তাহলে হতো না
हाँ,
উপরে
okay. Obvious, okay, but yeah, you can go for that one also. No issue, Anindra. You can go for that one. Simple. So what is the total solution? Total solution is nothing but total solution. That is the total solution. Total solution. That is nothing but the particular integral. That is the complementary function plus particular integral. So the total solution x equal to p to the power minus kt sin omega prime t plus, don't take it as a phi, take delta as we have considered phi here, so plus on this. Okay, don't take it, you can go for different kind of phases, that is also, maybe you have also, this is phi, so consider this as delta or this was as phi. Yo bhi hai. Samajh mein aaya? Is it clear to you? Yeah. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what
Yes,
is
sir.
delta
Yes,
and over here 5?
So, no, my point is, Anushrika, in initial condition, initially in the damped harmonic equation, we consider that as phi, maybe we have considered that phi. So, then don't take it as b cos phi, as b cos delta equal to like this, b cos delta equal to omega square minus p square. Right, take it that way also. Omega square minus p square, and write it down p sin delta, make it easier. I think we will not have to go for that one. 2 kp. So consider this one, so it will be delta. It will be delta. Is it clear to everyone? So it will be again, it will be delta. So as we have not taken the b cos delta is this one. So maybe you can realize this is the damped equation and this is the first equation. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen carefully. This is the damped part and this is the first part. Okay, this is the first part. So from these equations, we can say that from this part, amplitude is decay exponentially with time. Thus, after a lapse of time, after some sort of time, that is for the second part, the steady state will represent the state at steady state. The body will oscillate with this manner. Okay, that is the body will oscillate. The first oscillator will sustain the oscillation with this one. Okay, so at steady state, the body will show the behavior of only with this one. So if someone asks you, though we have already calculated this is the solution, if someone asks you what is the steady state equation of the first oscillator, what is the steady state equation of the first oscillator, you will write only this thing. Okay, so at steady state, when the body is oscillating with the same frequency of the applied periodic force, then the steady state equation will be like this. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So solution.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
write also integrate solution of the forced oscillator. Solution of the forced oscillator at steady state. What do you mean by steady state? Steady state means the body is at that time when the body is oscillating with the same frequency of the applied periodic force. Okay, got my point? So at steady state, this is nothing but the solution x equal to this one. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Now it's
Is
clear.
it clear to
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here,
Yes, sir.
Here the frequency is nothing but the frequency is f equal to p by 2 pi. That is the frequency of the periodic force is this one. This periodic oscillator is equal to 2 pi. And what is the phase? The phase delta is equal to tan inverse how much? 2 kp by omega square p square. Yes or no? What's my point? Yes or no? That is the frequency p by 2 pi and delta. This delta is b cos b sin delta by b cos delta. So 2 kp by omega square p square. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one thing I not understood, sir.
Sorry. Go ahead.
I sir. Sir, like derivation I understood, sir, but particular integral is a what? A force.
At a particular value of that one, when the right hand side is some sort of value. Okay.
Means it's just a equation or a force.
It's just an equation, no. But, my point is that it may not be always simple harmonic. It may not be always forced correction. Maybe some if the solution is like d square plus 2d, d square x plus 2dx plus something constant c into x equal to a. So this is nothing but solution will be particular from integral plus complementary. Okay, it may not be always forced oscillator. It can be zero. It can be any kind of equation, but it should be the d square operator. It should be d operator, another constant, and this one it may be a constant which is damping. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so my point is that this is the this is the solution. Maybe I'll ask one so that this will be considered for us for his or some.
Sir,
Okay, just go ahead, Renita.
sir, how it's PT minus delta when E minus I delta came? Not understood that part.
So my point is okay. Thank you. So my point is that we have already considered that A is equal to F naught B e to the power I phi. Up to this point, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So can we write e to the power I phi equal to minus? Can we write that F naught by B e to the power minus of I phi?
Yes, sir.
So X is nothing but A into e to the power I pt. Sorry, we have considered delta. So can I write that this is nothing but F naught by B e to the power I pt into e to the power minus I phi? Yes or no? Renita?
Yes, sir.
Then e to the power I pt minus I phi. So it is
Sir, I delta.
sorry, I delta. Again, same problem. The code is very bad. So e to the power I pt minus into e to the power minus I delta. What is this? Can I write it as e to the power minus?
Yes, understood.
Okay. So maybe I'll ask this one to
Sir,
someone go ahead.
বলছি যে পার্টিকুলার ইন্টিগ্রালের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা অন্য
Right
অ্যাঙ্গেল
hand side in the for particular integral, right hand side should have some value, and for complementary function, the right hand side should be a zero quantity.
আচ্ছা
Okay. Okay, this is question for maybe for I can go for this one for Pushpendu. Okay, Pushpendu, this will be your quiz answer for your if you understand properly whatever up to this point you can answer. So this question is for you guys. If somebody can answer here, they can score much in the CA1. But right now the question is for Pushpendu. Now from entire derivation, whatever you have learned. You have 30 seconds. You have to give me the answer. That is, can you compare between the frequency of the normal oscillator, frequency of the damped oscillator, and the frequency of the forced oscillator? Okay. So 3 points. Can we compare frequency of the damped oscillator, frequency of the forced oscillator, and frequency of the damped oscillator?
Sir, repeat the question again. I can't understand the question.
The question is, can you compare the between the forced oscillator? Can you compare the? Just tell me what is the? I'll go for this one later. Can you compare the forced normal oscillator with the damped oscillator? Which frequency will be higher and which frequency will be lower? For low damping or the normal condition? You can check it. I have already did.
So damped oscillator will be lower and normal oscillator will be higher.
So why? Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. Why? My question is why. My question is why. Okay. So I think you are done. So we can go for anyone. Prince has raised their hand. Okay, Prince, go ahead. Prince, go ahead.
Sir, I think due to increase of periodic oscillation.
No, it's not the periodic oscillation. In damped
Sir, because in
the amplitude keeps on decreasing.
Yes, sir, exponentially with time, sir.
Time.
Again, it's a wrong.
Amplitude in
No, what is the this is omega. What is the relation between omega prime
sir,
and
normal is f equals to 2 pi
Sir,
by
omega prime to omega prime হচ্ছে omega root over 1 minus k square minus omega square.
that should be that.
করলে ভ্যালু আসে
Omega by 2 pi to.
Okay, most of the people who have generally responded in the class, they don't have to go for all kind of this. They will get a good number normally. So my point is that omega is nothing but omega and the relation between the omega prime is nothing but omega square minus k. Yes or no? So obviously, if the damping is present, it has to be level lesser than this. So for that we have denoted that is omega prime is nothing but omega minus 1 minus k square by omega square. If the value is clear, so this is nothing but omega means that is mean omega by 2 pi, that is the frequency omega prime. So this is the frequency omega by 2 pi by this one. Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, though I have considered, though I have maybe I'll not deduct the marks for Pushpendu, but he have tried. So from next day onwards, I don't have the much time. From next day onwards, you will be evaluated on the basis of your answer. Okay. So you don't have those people who are responding in the class. This is not required for them, as I believe that they are trying to understand, or they are always with me in that process. That is, they are going for each and every step. So those who are muted for the 30 minutes or 40 minutes, he or she have to face this kind of question from next day onwards. Okay. So try to be more communicative. Try to more communicate in the class so that you can go for the assessment. Okay?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
bolo.
Sir, you told about the normal versus the damped. So what will be the
पोस्ट बाद में आऊंगा
हाँ.
पढ़ो
Okay.
पोस्ट पढ़ो मैं बाद में आऊंगा
Okay.
दैट्स
স্যার
हाँ बोलो
বলছি যে আপনি যখন বললেন কম্পেয়ার করতে ফোর্সের সাথে নরমাল বা লো,
compare করো না fourth section में পরের দিন next day we compare that one, maybe you can consider that one as a question, but we'll compare that one next time. Okay.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
Okay, sir.
Okay, maybe I'll call some of you in the later next time. If there is a call from in your phone, then just pick up. So I have to go for that enrollment is correct or not. I will check. Okay. Maybe I'll call after maybe third period or around fourth. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this will not be gone. Okay, and right now 51 people here. So that time 48. So I'll not give the attendance to the new 3. Maybe my point is the next one. So if out of 51, is there anyone who didn't receive the enrollment number of this one? Anyone? Up to this point, is there anyone who didn't receive this one? So if not, if someone is there who didn't receive the enrollment number, please contact me via mail. So it is very, very urgent. Okay. So just inform in the group also. So, okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you maybe on the next week. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.